Welcome to this self-equip redemption video for the Wuben G5. This is a different video for me because this has never happened to me before. But this is the Wuben G5 that I tested in this video. And if you've seen that video, good for you. If you haven't, go watch it and then come back and watch this video. In that video, as a quick preview, this Wuben G5 right here died. It was dunked in water, did some very funky stuff, and it still worked after that. Then I dropped it for my normal waist height and head height tests, and after that it completely stopped working, wouldn't even turn on any of the modes. So that was a huge bummer for me because I really like this light. But then this commenter, Resurrected, whatever it is, it's right here. That commenter said exactly what he said there, and he said that you can just plug it in, turn it on, and it should reset the light and work again. And I was like, there's no way that'll work, right? Well, it worked, and the light works now. So that's incredible. So I need to give the Wuben G5 what it deserves, and that is a roof drop from behind me. I've done all the testing up until this point, and I'm going to drop this sucker off the roof, and we're going to see if it survives. So, self-equip redemption, Wuben G5, off the roof. Very happy I get to say this, Wuben G5, off the roof. See ya! Well, fantastic news. The Wuben G5 survived. And turbo mode, so awesome. So I do love a redemption story, and I apologize if anything that I said or did was incorrect. But I am very gracious to the commenter who made that comment and told me that I can reset this light. That may save a lot of people a lot of heartache. I don't know. So if you have one of these and that's happened, go try it. Let me know if it works. And I'm super happy that it worked for mine. But I will say it doesn't work in the exact same order that it did. So I turn it on, and it's supposed to, scroll up to the higher mode, which it does, but it doesn't scroll up in any certain order, and it just goes up to one other mode. So really it's now kind of a two-mode light, where you turn it on, it's on this low, double tap and you get turbo, and that's pretty much it. And then if I double tap, I do still get my flashing, and I can double tap again, get different colored flashing. A press and hold is going to get me to my RGB, and then I can scroll through my colors still, which is super cool. So I still have that RGB. Obviously it still swivels, everything else still works great. You can open it up all the way, you can still charge it because I had to charge it, you can still put it on lock and it's still locked. So functions pretty normally, just not totally normally, which for me is totally fine. I just really want it for that white light anyways. That is the best part about it. And again, this thing's great. This is a great little EDC light. Wuben did a good job on this. I will let Wuben know that I figured out that I can get it back up and running. They didn't suggest that when I told them it wasn't working. They did like the video and all that stuff, so I'll let them know that there's a possible way to fix it if they need to let their customers know, and hopefully this helps some people out as well. And again, I will put a link in the description and top comment in this post, and if you guys want to pick one of these up, which I highly recommend if you want a little EDC, this is awesome. Just use that link and that helps my channel out. Thanks for watching, you guys. And a very first for the self-equip redemption story, a light we thought was dead but has now been brought to life. So if you haven't already, go subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out. Appreciate it. We'll see you guys on the next one.